Hi and welcome to my video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're a returning supporter, thank you. I am NaturalsBest and I do natural hair, lifestyle, random videos, tutorials, you name it. So if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss a future video. So guys, in today's video, I actually had something else planned and I actually had something else recorded, but YouTube life, y'all. So my recording did not come out as good as I wanted it to. If you've seen a previous video of mine, you know that I have a new camera. So what happened was the first part of my video was just all blurry and just a hot mess, so I could not publish that. The second part, I finally figured out what was wrong with the camera and it came out decent, but I just couldn't bring myself to upload that video. So I will be redoing the video. The video was a no product wash and go, guys. Sad part is I was really pleased with my results and I was so eager to show you that and excited, but I can't because the video is a mess. So if you're interested in me redoing that video, make sure you give me a like, leave me a comment down below and let me know if that's something you would like to see, guys. So in place of that video, I am going to be doing a March IPSY unboxing. So I am subscribed to IPSY. For those that don't know, I did do my initial IPSY subscription back in, I want to say January, December, something like that. I'll post the video here somewhere. But the reason why I subscribe to IPSY is because I do not wear a whole lot of makeup and I'm really just entry-level makeup person. So I figured it was a good way to just try makeup, and then that way I can kind of preview it before I purchase it and know if it works for me, if it's something that I like. So that's why I went ahead and subscribed to IPSY. Anyway, if you'd like to watch my March IPSY unboxing, go ahead and continue watching the video, guys. But first, if you are not subscribed already, do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I post a video. Alright guys, on to my IPSY unboxing. So like I said, this is the March IPSY bag. This is what the bag looks like. It's really cute. Looks like it's a women's history theme. It's just a few women holding hands in the front of the bag, which is really cute. Gotta go ahead and open this up. It does come with the card and tells you everything that's included in the bag. So as I go through the products, I will go ahead and read about the product, just that way you know what it is. That way I know what it is, because some of these things I'm not sure. So I will go ahead and do that. So the first product is an extreme length powerful lift. It looks like it's a mascara. Okay, so it's a Benefit Cosmetics They're Real Magnet Mascara. So it's a cute little 0.1 ounce. That's what that looks like. Cute, right? So this mascara, it says a few swipes of this volumizer mascara will have people swear you're wearing a set of falsies. Ooh, it's that good. The magic tiny fibers that draw your lashes up and out, creating extreme thickness, length, and density, guys. Okay, I cannot wait to try this. I am not a false lash wearer. I do have a decent amount of lashes and they're pretty long. So I have been blessed with long lashes, which, you know, I don't really feel like I need fake lashes. I've always wanted to try it, but not sure that I want to damage my real lashes, so I haven't really went out and did that, guys. So what do you think, guys? Should I get false lashes or should I just leave them alone? Because I don't want to damage my natural lashes. So anyway, so yeah, I'm really excited to try this out. It sounds like a good product. So it sounds like it's really going to volumize my lashes, so we will see if that really happens. It says a tip: want more lift and volume, just add more coats. The formula is totally buildable. So that's the first product, guys. The second thing is a pistachio skincare hydrating pistachio body butter. All right, that's what that looks like. And then this is a pistachio skincare with pistachio body butter, aka the boyfriend body butter. Okay guys, one whiff of this pistachio biscotti scented cream and we were hooked. It smells just like cookies. Not only does pistachio oil smell delish, it's a great source of vitamin E, fatty acids, and antioxidants, all necessary for smooth, baby soft skin. Tip: you can also apply it liberally to the feet and sleep in socks for a healing night treatment. Oh, okay, I like that. I like that because I don't know about you guys, but I haven't really been able to go get my feet done like I really want to. So this is gonna be good, hopefully, for my feet. I like it. Okay. So this retails for $28 for a full size, and the sample is a 1 ounce. I really want to see if it smells like cookies though. Alright, so it does have a seal. Let me take the seal out. Oh, that smells really good. It does smell like cookies. It smells like sugar cookies. Moving on to the next item. It is a Hanalei Kukui lip balm. And that's what that looks like. Hanalei Kukui lip balm. So that's what that looks like. Alright, and so the Hanalei Kukui lip balm in tropical citrus. This fruity balm is made with coconut and kukui nut oil straight from Hawaii to moisturize, nourish, and smooth your lips with every swipe. The cruelty-free natural formula is made without unhealthy ingredients like parabens or phthalates. Tips: swipe it on alone under lip colors or mix with your fave lipstick to create a sheer stain. The full size retails for $6, guys. So this sounds really soothing. I like the fact that it's natural, not something that, you know, has chemicals in it, which is awesome. Something I could probably sleep, like put on my lips at night and sleep in to kind of moisturize my lips. And it smells so good. It smells like candy, but like a lemon head candy. That's what it smells like. It smells like lemon head, so it smells really good. So the next product is a berry juice vegan lip gel. That's what that looks like. And let me take it out the box. Nice color. Okay, so that's what that looks like. And that's the color. Alright, I'm gonna try it on. Why not, right? I should be able to get this on lip. The lip gel. It's a Seraphine Botanicals Berry and Juice 100% vegan lip gel and rose currant. Your lips need protection all year round. Reach for this healthy and hydrating lip gel whenever you need a moisture boost. It's made with shea butter and vitamins A and E to keep them soft, smooth, and happy. Tips: swipe on bare lips or as a topper for your fave lipstick. Full size retails for $19, guys. I really do like this shade, guys. What y'all think? It's cute, right? Okay. And I love that, you know, it's a decent size. Like, I could really try this out for maybe a week or so and really get a good feel for if I'm gonna like it or not. So I do love that about the Ipsy bags. And I think I have one more item in here, and it is a setting powder, y'all. It is a Lock-It setting powder in translucent. And that's what that looks like. Right? So help me out, y'all. How am I supposed to use this powder? So it says KVD Vegan Beauty Lock-It Setting Powder. I love the fact that most of my products are vegan, natural. I'm really feeling that because I have really been leaning towards using more natural products on my hair, on my skin, just overall. This is a KVD Vegan Beauty Lock-It Setting Powder. Stress and sweat can be a recipe for makeup meltdown. Enter this loose setting powder which locks in everything from foundation to blush for hours without ever feeling drying, thick, or chalky in the process. Once it's on, you'll forget you're even wearing it. Tip: dust this powder over makeup with a large fluffy powder brush to set and mattify. Okay, I can do that. So on days that I do wear foundation, I am going to try this and see if it sets my makeup, see if it prevents me from sweating my makeup out. So this full-size product does retail for $31. That's it for this March Ipsy review or unboxing. Thank you so much for watching the video. If there's anything that you'd like to see on my channel, please let me know down below. Leave a comment. Like I said, I am going to give you that no product wash and go soon, guys. I'm so disappointed that I could not get that out for you this week. But guys, don't worry, it will be out. I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed. I am pleasantly surprised at how my hair turned out with no product. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you hit that bell, guys. Hit the bell so you don't miss it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure to like, because again, it helps my algorithm, guys. And I appreciate all of you who have been there, who continue to support me, guys. I so appreciate you. So thank you all for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.